Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to make your Pinterest board private. So it's pretty simple, so let's get on with it. So for this, open Pinterest and click on this icon over here. And after clicking on this icon, it's going to take you to your profile. And on your profile, all your boards are going to be displayed. Now select the board which you want to make private. So let's say I want to make this board private. So I can hold on this board until I see these three icons, and keep holding your finger and drag your finger to this icon over here. Now remember not to release your finger, because if you release the finger, these icons will disappear. Just hold on the board you want to make private and drag your finger on this pencil icon. And then this setting will open up. Now over here there is this setting called keep this board secret. It's turned off so everyone can see it. So turn it on so your board is private now. It's on. So turn it on. Now nobody can see this board except you. So now you can click on done on top. And boom, now your board is private. As you guys can see the lock icon. So that's basically how you make a board private on Pinterest.